Okay, I made a cool discovery. You know, we're using 2P10 in our GluBots, this is our HighBot, to do very precise work. See how nice that comes out? Look at that. Look how perfect that is, right? And we said, wow, the micro tip that comes on the 2P10 XTip works perfect on the GluBots. So all you have to do is grab one of those micro tips, pull it off, and then when you pull off your tip, it actually fits on there perfectly, just like that. So now you just take your retaining ring, you can screw that on there like that. Look at this. So now if you want to do some precision work or you need to get into a fine point, you can get in there nicely, and it gives you a little better reach and maybe a little more control when you want to really get precise.